This is Eric Windheim, building biologist. We're at a service panel and we're seeing a huge net current on the feed from the main service panel to the this is actually the service entrance. That's all that's in there is the service entrance, 200 amp. There's the building inspector right there. So we have 7.5 amps of net current. Okay, start! Stop! Okay, that was the 100 amp circuit to the sub panel. Keep going! So it went from 7.5 amps down to 0.5 amps. And that's a net current just by turning off the 100 amp breaker to the sub panel. Now we're down to 0.3. Back up! Okay, which one is that? Just make a note. Okay, keep going. Okay, we're turning off breakers and we're seeing we're getting a net current here. Next. Okay, 0.3. Keep going. Next. Keep going. Okay, stop. Back up. That's it. Make a note. Keep going. Okay, so we found that there's 3 breakers on the main panel that are problematic. And should be 0.0 because the electricity that comes in from PG&E should go back to PG&E. But it looks like we're getting current bleeding off to ground. And we already see neutral to ground connections in one panel. Are you done? Keep going. Okay, we're getting a little bit of fluctuation there. Once again, we're at the service entrance. Okay, back, go back. Go back! Go back! One more, okay. That one! Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.